Hello students, welcome to my class. In our previous class, we have learned area related to circles of class 10. In that topic, we have studied area of sector and segment and few sums based on the topic. In today's class, we will learn area of combination of plane figures. We will see few examples on this topic. So the first question, two circular flower beds have been shown on the two sides of a square lawn ABCD of side 56 meter. If the center of each flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, then find the sum of areas of the lawn and the flower bed. Here we have given the value of pi as 22/7. Now we will see what is the question given. We have a square lawn ABCD of side 56 meters. So in the question it is given the side of the square lawn is 56 meter. And on two sides we have a circular flower bed. So this region is the circular flower bed. And this flower bed's center is the point of intersection of the diagonals of this square. So this O is the point of intersection of the diagonals AC and BD of the square ABCD. Then we have to find the area of the lawn and the flower bed. So you have to find this full area, that is the area of this square and this circular portion, that is these two segments. Okay, so we have to find the entire diagram area we have to find. So for this, first we will find out. So if you consider this circular region, actually this OB is the radius of this circular flower bed. But we don't have a OB, radius is not given in the question. So first step we will find out the radius of the circular flower bed. So for that we have to use the properties of a square. So we have already studied in our earlier classes. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisectors. That is, the angle between the diagonal is 90 degree. So if you consider triangle OAB, this triangle is an right angled triangle, and you know that OB and OA are the radii. So these two sides are equal. This OB and OA are equal sides. So here we will denote this length as x. So this also x. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem for finding the value of x. So here in triangle OAB, if you use Pythagoras theorem, so this is our diagonal, so not diagonal, hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse, so this side is the hypotenuse, so x square, OA square plus OB square is equal to, OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. So OA is x, so x square plus x square is equal to 56 square. So when you add these two, so 2x square is equal to 56 into 56. From this we will find out the value of x square. So x square equal to 56 into 56 divided by 2, which is equal to 28 into 56. So we got the value of x square now. So that we will write here. So x square value is 28 into 56. Now we are going to find the total area of the lawn and the flower bed. So for finding this, actually if you consider this portion alone, we can call this as a sector. So this region is the sector of a circle. The same way this is also a sector. So for finding the entire lawn and the flower bed area, we need to find the area of these two sectors and this triangle area. We have two triangles also here. So if you add the area of these two sectors and these two triangles, we will get the required area. So we are going to do in that way only today. So we'll see now area of the sector. So area of the square lawn and the flower bed. Total area we are going to find now. Therefore, total area is equal to, so area of sector OAB. So we are going to add these two, sector area. So sector OAB plus area of sector OCD. This sector OCD plus area of triangle OAD plus area of triangle OBC. So we are going to add these four so that we will get the total area. So first, area of the sector. So you have already studied the area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. So here the angle is 90 degree because the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So the angle is 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into pi. Pi value is given in the question as 22 by 7. R square, radius here in this question, the radius is x. So r square, that is x square. So x square value we have already got, that is 28 into 56. So here we will write 28 into 56. Plus the same with this area also same only. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 56. Plus area of the triangle OAD. Actually, this triangle area is 1 by 4th of area of this square. Because you know that these two triangles, all these four triangles are congruent triangles, so their areas are equal. So this triangle area will be 1 by 4th of the area of square ABCD. So for this triangle area, we will write as 1 by 4 into area of square. Area of square is side into side, that is 56 into 56. Plus similarly this area of this triangle also the same, 1 by 4 into 56 into 56. Now if you simplify here, we will get 1 by 4 and we have 1 by 4 in all the four terms. So we will take 1 by 4 outside, and this 28 and 56 is there in almost all the term we have. So 28 into 56 we will take outside. So 1 by 4 into 28 into 56 we will take outside from all the four terms. So here the remaining is 22 by 7. In the first term we will have now 22 by 7, and in the second term also we will have 22 by 7, and here we have taken 28 outside and 56. So here we will have 2 left in this third term. The same way in the fourth term also we will have a 2. Now 1 by 4 into 28 into 56. Here we will simplify by taking LCM. So 7 is the LCM. So 22 plus 22 plus 14 plus 14 divided by 7. Now we will simplify this. So here we can cancel 7 times. So 7 into 56. Here we will add 22 plus 22, 44. 54, 58, 68, 72. So 72 by 7. So we can cancel these two numbers, and the final answer we will get as 4032 meter square. So the area of the entire lawn and the flower bed is 4032 meter square. Now we will see the next question. Example 2. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. So in this question, we have given a square ABCD of side 14 centimeter. We have side 14 centimeter. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So it's very easy. If you subtract the area of these four circles from the area of square ABCD, we will get the area of shaded region. So first we will find the area of square ABCD. So area of square ABCD is equal to, you know the formula, side into side, that is 14 into 14 is equal to 196 centimeter square. So we got the area of the square now. Now we will find out the area of these four circles. So for finding the circle, we need area of the circle, we need the radius of the circle. So here if you see the diameter of these two circles only, actually the side 14 centimeter. So the diameter of a circle will be half of this. So diameter of a circle is equal to half of 14, that is 7. Now we need the radius, therefore radius of a circle is equal to, radius of a circle is equal to 7 by 2. So we got the radius of a circle. Now we will find the area of one circle. So area of a circle is equal to pi r square. The formula is pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now we will find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus 4 into area of circle. So 4 times, we have 4 circles here. So area of square is 196 minus 4 into area of square, that is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So we can simplify this 4 and 4 will get cancelled and this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So you will get 196 minus 154. So when you subtract, you will get the answer as 42 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded region is 42 centimeter square. 3. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. So this is our question, and here the value of pi is given as 3.14. So we have a square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. So the side of the square is 10 centimeter. We have to find this 4 shaded region. Area of this shaded region we have to find. Here the semicircles are drawn. Semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. Actually this side is the diameter of this semicircle. So 4 semicircles are drawn with the side of the square as diameter. So here how we are going to do this question is actually very important question. So we will mark this region as 1, 2, 3 and 4. This region which is not shaded, those region we will name as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first we are going to find the area of the region 1 and 3. So for finding the area of these 3 region, if you see, if you subtract from the square area of the square, if you subtract this semicircle and this semicircle, then you will get the area of the region 1 and 3. So for finding area of 1 and 3, region 1 and 3, from the area of square, we will subtract the two semicircles we have. So 2 area of the semicircles. So this semicircle and this semicircle's area we will subtract. So area of square is, the formula is side into side. Here the side is given as 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10, that is 100, minus 2 into area of semicircle. Area of semicircle half pi r square. So 1 by 2 into pi. Pi value is given as 3.14 into r. What is the radius here? Diameter is 10. So the radius is 5. So pi r square, that is 5 square. Now we will simplify. This is 100 minus this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 3.14 into 25. So 3.14 into 25. So when you simplify this, 100 minus this is 78.5. So the answer is 21.5. So the region 1 and 3, the area of the region 1 and 5 is 21.5 centimeter square. Similarly, we can find the area of this region 2 and 4, the same method only. So if you want to find the area of these two regions from the area of this square, you have to subtract these two semicircles. So area, therefore, area of 2 and 4. Area of 2 and 4 is equal to same answer only we will get, that is 21.5 the whole square. Now, so for finding the area of this shaded region from the area of the square, we have to subtract area of these four regions. Then we will get the area of shaded region. So we are going to find the area of shaded region now. So area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of all these four regions, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you add subtract from area of square, if you subtract these two area, you will get area of the shaded region. Now area of square, that is 10 into 10, that is 100 minus area of 1 and 3 we got as 21.5. So 21.5. So area of first region and third region is 21.5 and area of second and fourth. So area of second and fourth is also 21.5. So now we will subtract, that is 100 minus, when you add 43. So 100 minus we will get 43, that is equal to 57 centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is 57 centimeter square. In my next video, we will see some more questions based on this topic. Thank you, students.